More than 20,000 people were evicted last year in New York City. Here at City Hall, a coalition of dozens of organizations is calling on New York to be the first city to give tenants the right to free counsel. A bill known as Intro 214A would provide lawyers to low-income tenants facing eviction. In housing court, 90% of landlords have lawyers, while only 10% of tenants have legal representation.
It's not an even playing field. We have to make housing court and our legal system give justice to tenants. And so we're here to prevent evictions and establish a right to counsel in housing court today.
Studies show that about a third of families that enter shelters were evicted from private housing. Catholic Migration Services provides legal help to low-income immigrants, but says many more resources are needed to keep families off the streets.
Unfortunately, we cannot serve everybody who needs us because we don't have the resources. So that's how we got involved with the coalition when they came up with the legislation.
So we need to get legal representation like we would for criminal cases, because people losing their homes is just almost as bad as being under arrest, maybe worse.
Council Member Mark Levine says the moral argument has broad support and the financial side also makes sense for the city.
The money we spend up front on attorneys will be more than made up on the back end by fewer families in the homeless shelter system.
Because Intro 214 is about investing in our future, and we are not going to stop until Intro 214 is passed and signed into law.
Reporting for Currents, I'm Konrad Aderer.